Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We can do about factorization in here by this way. Because s multiplied by 1 and 3 over s, you got about this one in here. Now we can apply similar in here. This one we can do about factorization by s squared. Similar for this one. Next, this one we can put in outside and you got about the square root of s. Similar for this one. This one, if we put outside, you got about s to the power of 2 over 4. Similar for this one. We know that 2 over 4 that's about 1 over 2. And this one we can write into the square root of s. Similar for this one in here. Now, the square root of s, we can do about factorization. Similar for this one. Now, we can simplify the square root of s on numerator and denominator. Now, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. The number divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one, and this one. Now, if we simplify, and you got about 2 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.